Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the COVID cases which are easing and the Nifty which has closed above 15,500. As per my predictions, I had made that when Ketu lifts its footfall from full throttle on Jyestha and enters Anuradha Nakshatra on the 9th May 2021 at 23:10 hours, there will be thinning of the coronavirus cases, and exactly from 4,25,000 cases it has come down to 1,12,000 cases as on today, the 6th June 2021. I'd also predicted that the Nifty will touch on the 5th, between 2nd and 5th, it will cross 15,500, and both these predictions have proved spot on. Now I have some apprehension, and I want to mention that I am the single astrologer who predicted ease in coronavirus from 10th May 2021 when Ketu enters Anuradha star and lifts its foot from full throttle. Ketu is disease karaka and responsible for coronavirus spread in the complete world. And I am also the single astrologer who predicted coronavirus on the 17th September 2019 as per the solar eclipse of the 26th December 2019. Now, another thing what I have observed is that whenever the longitudinal distance between Saturn and Jupiter, it increases, the stock market also rises. When the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn decreases, the number of cases also increase in coronavirus, and there will be effect on the stock and financial markets. So my fear is that after the 21st June, Jupiter is going to become retrograde. Saturn is already become retrograde on the 18th, on the 23rd May 2021. Now, when the longitudinal distance between them decreases, it is not a good parameter, especially for the coronavirus. And especially, as I have already mentioned, September month is the most enigmatic month because it has a lunation of 13 days and the solar ingress of Sun in Virgo is not good because it's a Gemini Lagna and Saturn and Mars are placed in the 8th house. Both become first class Marak, and when Jupiter is afflicted, it becomes like a mad elephant, and this mad elephant has the capacity to ruin the jungle. Now Jupiter will be Marak and Saturn, it controls the longevity and deaths. So Saturn will also become a Marak. So the significations of Jupiter and Saturn will suffer. Now the only grace is that the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn is only 15 degrees. It does not go below 15 degrees. So this 15-16 degrees is I will not say it is very explosive, but it is explosive. But Saturn and Jupiter becoming Marak, they are extremely bad. And especially in the 8th house, Jupiter is fallen, Jupiter is retrograde, Jupiter is debilitated. So Jupiter loses all its beneficence. And Jupiter is karak for children, Jupiter is karak for prosperity, Jupiter is karak for banks. So, my dear friends, September month could be prone to correction of stock markets. Number one, I will give you the date later on when the time comes. But September month is a time for correction. Maybe little before September. And then the number of coronavirus cases can also go up. Possible, it is possible. But this 15-16 degrees is not very explosive. But Saturn and Jupiter getting the status of a Marak, that is most explosive. So I have written so many articles, and you can read it for yourself. Then now the cases are, as on today, 1,14,000 cases as against 4,25,000 cases, and markets have the correction in the immediate month in June, there will not be major correction, but definitely on the 21st, 11th, 21st and 22nd, there are prone to some correction, but no major correction in June. So when July comes, we will talk about July, and when August comes, we will talk about August. But my fear remains that after 21st June, Jupiter will become retrograde and it will start approaching towards Saturn. So this is not good. So friends, this is not good for the stock and financial markets. It can give anything. Normally, it has been seen that when planets are retrograde, the stock markets touch new highs. So it can also touch new high before the stock markets break. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. And last not the least, there are 4 or 5 parameters which I like to share. So between September to December, possible third wave, possible influence on children and worker class, influence on the stock and financial markets. The third wave may not be explosive as the second wave, which was most explosive between the 24th April to 16th May. And Jupiter and Saturn both Marak will be most enigmatic between 16th September to 18th October 2021. So this is the nutshell, and this is what I all wanted to share. Now I will make another video for the eclipse which is taking place on the 10th of June, maybe tomorrow or day after. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share that now my predictions even for the stock and financial markets are going through, because I've done some research now and I can tell you, I will give you some dates also when the time comes. So this is all, friends, I wanted to share with you. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe my channel and have a good day. Keep yourself fit, get vaccinated, and maintain the social distancing. The social distancing must be maintained, especially when Jupiter is also retrograde. So we may have to implement more lockdowns when time comes. So, but my fear is that after 21st June, when Jupiter becomes retrograde, things may also take a change. So that's all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and bye-bye.